And finally, we have completed the vertical garden with the chrysanthemum. We don't usually see people using chrysanthemums for their vertical garden, but I have tried it out. One, why? Because I can give it a lot of nutrients and make sure you don't see the death of these plants. Second one, these are nati variety, basically local variety. I don't like hybrid variety of this variant, basically the chrysanthemum. One, it won't sustain. I have killed more than 50 to 100 plants of hybrid varieties of chrysanthemum. So I saw this nati variety and immediately I ordered 50 to 60 of them. And I thought, okay, let me put it on vertical my grills and do a vertical garden. And this is how it looks, the final thing. And this will be useful for both our puja, daily puja, as well as enhancing the beauty and giving us the privacy. So that's the idea why I did it. And for more such content, if anyone wants something like this, then do share this with them. And this idea works out pretty well. It's looking something complete. I have to fill in 2 to 3 more rows of this grill to make it complete, and we'll be completing it soon. And stay tuned for more updates, and do not forget to follow Biotechmaali. And thank you so much, guys.